This video was digitized from a reel of silent 8mm film, and it's of the U.S. Army's 26th Transportation Company when they were stationed at Illesheim, Germany in 1956. And this is them putting on an air show, primarily with their Sikorsky H-35 Choctaw Helicopters. And you can see that there's a couple other helicopters, or another helicopter in here, some sort of Bell helicopter. I'm not too sure of what it is in a plane. And uh, yeah, just some great footage of them. And then towards the end, you can see they do like a little air assault demonstration. But great footage of the U.S. Army's 26th Transportation Company when they were in Illesheim, Germany. I hope you enjoyed this piece of history, and uh, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more military and patriotic videos, which I try to upload every other day on my site. And if you're interested in a good read, check out my books at www.edsemler.com.